Online learning has indicated significant growth over the last decade, as the Internet and the education systems have integrated to offer individuals a chance to acquire and master new skills. Since the coronavirus outbreak, online learning has become more common. The pandemic has constrained schools, colleges, and organizations to work from home, which caused the boom in the online education sector. Even before the pandemic, the online education market had the potential to reach $350 billion. The numbers may have increased after the coronavirus spread. Future of online education is personalized learning experience to the individuals, leveraging the technology to lessen the instructor's burden, improve teaching methods with the tools, and improve the learning efficiency. Advantages of online classes delivery. Online classes make education more adaptable, making complicated concepts in higher education comprehensible. Numerous students, especially adult students or working students, need adaptability in their timetables and module decisions to access education. Future of the online education trends offers opportunities to students from traditionally marginalized groups. The individuals from low financial backgrounds, ethnic minorities, and students with disabilities advantage altogether from the accessibility of online courses. Online classes additionally appeal to the students of the present generation. The broadly hailed generation of digital natives are presently in advanced higher education and are accustomed to having technology as a string through their everyday lives. Future of online education trends appeals to millennials who are comfortable with innovation and technology and are used to ingesting large amounts of the digitally provided information. Active and dynamic learning in online classes. Active learning, which gets some distance from the tradition of static, unidirectional lectures, utilizes more intuitive forms of education, including activities such as brainstorming, conceptual planning, collaborative writing, cooperative learning, case-based guidance, role-playing, project-based learning, simulation, peer teaching and instructing. There is evidence that online learning aims to help students understand and other higher-order functions than knowledge retention. While not all operational learning activities are conceivable during online classes, many are up by technology. The organization and mass correspondence is possible through technology. Studies have demonstrated that online classes benefit collaborative learning and facilitate asynchronous interactions among teachers and students. Such interactive learning engages the learners and encourages critical reflection. Difficulties of online classes. Online classes, regardless of whether entirely online or as a part of more traditional teaching techniques, do have hindrances. Obligatory progress to online courses may cause lower enrollment rates in colleges and universities. Prior studies show lower fulfillment rate for online classes, even though the evidence is absent concerning the blended learning courses that consolidate both the teaching styles. Technical challenges are an obstruction to the utilization of online education trends. Both students and teachers are baffled with complexities, and these difficulties can prompt students connecting less with the courses. Instructors should frequently devote time to fixing specialized technical issues, and altering content can turn into an unpredictable and strenuous task. Online modules can alienate some students. Blended or online learning approaches take the greater liability of the students' learning, transforming them from passive to active learners. Nonetheless, this can be a test for some students, especially those more used to passive learning in school. These students may require the instructor's attention to motivate, instill discipline, and organize their learning process. Finally, the accessibility of online courses is a significant issue with full online learning. The accessibility of working internet connection, electronic gadgets, for example, PC or mobile phones, or even the presence of a suitable learning environment changes from student to student. The rushed change to online teaching can likewise make troubles for disabled students. Conclusion. Online education trends are perplexing and is an emerging field. There are both challenges and advantages to utilizing digital innovations and technologies, either as independent courses or as incorporated with traditional teaching methods. Nonetheless, for online learning to be successful, it is clear that the mindset of teaching should change. Educators need to shift from a teaching-focused paradigm toward a learning-focused paradigm, to appeal to new students and maintain a critical technological edge in a competitive commercial marketplace.